Hi huns, how are you? Thank you very much for joining me in another video this week, and if you're new here, welcome to the small YouTube family. So guys, it's that time of the month where I do my monthly shop favourites. It is a little late this month, so I do apologise for that. But if you're new here, so every month I show you what I've picked up from my monthly shop. So I go through all of my favourite things, and typically I will pick up new stuff and yeah, let you know what's new in the stores. So before we get into all that good stuff, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss out on the enjoyment that is happening on this channel. Guys, let's get into the goodness that I've picked up this month. So guys, I'm going to start off with Aldi. So guys, there was some good stuff this month. First thing that I picked up, guys, was this. It's just these non-chicken tikka pieces. So it's from the plant menu. You can pop these in the freezer, so I think that is what I'm going to do. And I'm super excited to try these, so I think I'm going to do it in a wrap, as I've got some really exciting sauces this month. Now this is slightly different and I don't like the look of these, but you guys know how intrigued I get, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna pick this up. I've got some noodles in the cupboard, so I'm going to try that with this. And it's these beef teriyaki strips, again from the plant range. They don't look that nice, to be fair, but I'm going to give these a go and see what these taste like. That's new, so the chicken tikka pieces are new, and also the beef teriyaki strips are new. So yeah, really excited to try those. I then picked up this again, and you might have remembered this from, I think it was June monthly shop favourites. These are the veggie babs, so they're like vegan, veggie, plant-based kebabs, and these were really tasty. I only picked up the Tex-Mex inspired kebabs this month. I liked the other ones, but it had a very strong flavour of coriander. Well, not too strong, because if it was too strong I wouldn't be able to eat it, but I could taste the coriander in those ones. So I just picked up these this month. The date's not that great, but I do pop these in the freezer and they are fine. I then picked up these. This is new again, guys. Aldi had so much new stuff, I really didn't even know where to look, and because my freezer is so small, I have to like pick and choose, but they had so much stuff. But yeah, I picked up these 4 meat-free hot dogs, and it's got like it's seasoned and a smoky flavour apparently. So per sausage is 93 calories, which isn't too bad, but really excited to try this. It looks super tasty in the photo, and I normally do like the plant menu from Aldi, and it is high in protein, so I will let you guys know what these taste like. Like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I sort of go through most of the like reviews about things that I've tried. So yeah, definitely follow me on there to see what these taste like, because I'm super intrigued about these. And then I picked up these. I have seen these in Aldi before, but I haven't picked them up before, so I thought I'd try them this month. And it's the beef burgers, so the no beef burgers. They don't look like they've got a lot of flavour in, but I thought, you know what, I haven't tried them, so I might as well, so I could give a review. Then again, from the plant-based menu is some coleslaw. I have massively gone off coleslaw, but I have tried this before, and this is from the plant-based menu. So the mayonnaise is a vegan, and this tastes a lot better than the other coleslaws. I just went off them. I don't know if it was like the mayonnaise that was making me feel like sick, or the actual size of the veg, but yeah, this one's actually a lot nicer, so I picked this up. It's really hard to get this in Aldi. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not, but I thought, yeah, let me pick this up this month. Then I've tried some really new, honestly guys, when I say I've tried some new stuff this month, I really have. Now this is ready to eat, and this is some sweet potato pakoras. This was in like the fridge section, so let me see if I can just pull these out quickly. So this is what they look like. They are
also vegan and they're gluten-free, which is great. So I thought I would give that a go. And they also had some falafel. I can't remember if I've tried falafel before. I think I have. It's got like chunky chickpeas, onions, potatoes, spices. It's also gluten-free and it's also vegan. Super excited to try these. And then I picked up this. Now I was super excited about this. I'm actually going to eat this now, but this is a king prawn selection. So it's got three different types of prawns in it. It's got a green Thai style, a sesame prawn and a sriracha prawn. I haven't seen this before in Aldi. It might have been there before, but this is the first time that I've seen it. Next I have this natural yogurt. So it's a soya pot. I've picked this up before and it's just Aldi's version of sort of yogurt, but it's plant-based. Just wanted to say this is really tasty and I liked this, so I've picked this up again this month, and I have this with some granola. Sometimes I put like a scoop in my smoothies. I have picked up some granola and I will show you which one I've picked up, but yeah, just wanted to say love this, highly recommend. I then picked up some coconut milk. I picked up some coconut milk last month. Somebody recommended that I put it in my smoothies, and I did, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So I picked up 2 cartons. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I reviewed the other cloudy lemonade, and that was like really bad. It was like a 1 out of 10. It was so bad. It tasted like something you would have if you were poorly. Yeah, not my vibe. So no, I picked up this cloudy apple juice. This one's slightly different. It's pressed cloudy apple juice, so it's slightly different. The color of it looks slightly different. This one looks a lot better. Yeah, I picked this up along with the raspberry lemonade, which I absolutely love, but this is new. I haven't tried this one before. I then also picked up this. Now I normally make my smoothies, as you know. I like to pick up at least 1 bottle of like pre-made smoothie. I normally pick up the what's the brand called? Is it Innocent? I normally pick up the Innocent, but Aldi had I guess a copy of the Innocent one that I normally pick up, and so I thought I would give this a go. I love smoothies that have ginger in it. This has clementine, carrot and ginger, and I absolutely love that combination. So yeah, I thought I would give this a go. Okay, I'm gonna move on to some cupboard stuff next. So I picked up these are new, and it's just 6 mini bags of double chocolate cookies, and they're 99 calories per bag, and I thought that was, yeah, not too bad. And I do like to find low calorie snacks, and I thought that was quite good, and these are new. So yeah, I picked up a bag of these. Then picked up this. Now this is the granola that I've been banging on about since last month, and I didn't get to show you it because I already had it open. So I picked up another one this month because I ran out last month, and this is the really nutty granola. Absolutely love this. So it has almonds, Brazilian nuts, hazelnuts, so it's, yeah, very nutty. So if you've got a nut allergy, definitely avoid this one. Absolutely love this. I'll have this with the yogurt that I just showed you, and then I'll also have this with some like strawberries, blueberries, yeah, and it's just such a yummy breakfast. Next I picked up some pistachio nuts, so roasted and salted pistachio nuts. I fancied some different snacks this month, and I'll see if I like these, and I can't remember if I like pistachio nuts, but yeah, we will find out. Now I picked up this was in, you know, that random section that you get in Aldi. These were in there. I'm not necessarily sure what this is. Okay, I think it's a bread with Nutella inside. I think it's 115 calories per bar. It's a little on the high side for how small they are, but I was just really intrigued by what these are. That was super random from Aldi, but yeah, picked that up. I then picked up these. Now this is going to be very interesting for me, but this is 4 gluten-free nut bars with dark chocolate. I'm not normally a huge fan of dark chocolate, but it was gluten-free and vegetarian, so that's why I was intrigued. So it has dark chocolate and peanut butter. You guys know how much I absolutely love peanut butter, so I thought I would give these a go. They are quite high actually on calories, so 213 calories per bar. But yeah, these were new and haven't tried these before. Aldi again had some snacks. You guys know how much I love crisps, but yeah, I picked up these this month. So I got some Cheetos, just the flaming hot ones because they're just banging, and you get 8 in a pack. And then I just picked up some What's-Its, again in the flaming hot flavor because these are absolutely banging. And this is like a big packet, so a share packet, but am I going to share them though is a different question. Last couple of things then from Aldi. Now this, super excited to try this, guys. This is infused olive oil, so it's infused with garlic, so you can use it for dipping, drizzling, pastas, roasting. You can see that it's got like the garlic at the bottom, so I'm wondering what this is going to taste like. But yeah, super excited to try this. Hopefully it tastes quite nice. So I then picked up this, which is some garlic Italian seasoning. So yeah, I thought this might be quite nice. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this yet, but yeah, can't go wrong with a bit of seasoning. Now this is something new. This is a chunky burger sauce. Now I have got some Lindy McCartney burgers, and I've also, as you would have seen, I've picked up some burgers from Aldi, so I thought this would be quite nice to see what this tastes like on the burgers. This isn't vegan or anything. That is everything from Aldi. I'm gonna move on to Asda next. Okay guys, I'm gonna move on to the stuff from Asda. I'm just gonna say, next month I'm gonna go all out at Asda. They had so many good things from the free from range that I was just like, no, next month I am going wild. So this month I've only picked up a few new stuff from Asda, but next month, guys, I think Asda's going to be bigger than Aldi. Anyway, so the first thing that we've got here is this free from 2 coffee desserts. Now I've tried one of these coffee desserts before. It was like a chocolate one, and that was really tasty. So I've picked up this one, which is the coffee. It is free from gluten, so it's gluten free and milk free. This is 230 calories per pot, which isn't too bad for a little dessert. Super excited to try this. I then also picked up this from the dessert section. I think it's a yogurt. I'm not sure what this is, but I was really intrigued. It says it's called cocoa with live dairy free. It's live dairy free. I don't know, you know, guys, this is a bit of a wild card, I'm not going to lie. It's dairy free and soya free, and it's peach and passion fruit. I don't know about this one. Yeah, I'm not even, I don't know, is it like a yogurt or is it a drink? I'm not too sure. And then I picked up this again, so you might have remembered this from my July. This is from my July monthly shop favorites, and it's the vegan smoky ham slices. Banging, guys, banging. Honestly, this I had to show you. It's not new, but just wanted to come and say 10 out of 10. Absolutely love this. We'll be picking this up every week, well, not every week, every month in the shop. The last couple of things then, I picked up some croutons so that I can put in like a salad. Every so often I will have a salad for lunch, so I thought this was, yeah, super cute to just add some croutons in. So when I did my online shop last month, I came across this, but they didn't have it in stock at the time, so they didn't, of course I didn't get it, but I picked it up this time from in store, and this is free from, so it's gluten free, milk free, egg free, and it's a multi-seeded sandwich slices. Yeah, so you get 6 slices and you can like make a sandwich with it. So it's good for iron, calcium, and what is that, whatever that other thing is, and it's vegan. Excited to try that. Oh, it's also freezable, that's also handy. The last thing then from Asda before I just move on quickly to some new cleaning bits. So yeah, I picked up these Vitalite dairy-free slices. Apparently it melts to perfection, so I think that they may have changed the ingredients. There's thunder and lightning at the moment, do apologize if you can hear that. But yeah, you get 10 in a pack. What I was saying was that I've picked Vitalite cheese up before and I wasn't a huge fan, but I think they may have changed the recipe. If I didn't mention already, this is vegan. That's the last bits of like the food stuff from Asda. Like I said, I didn't go in at Asda this month, so I just picked up a few bits. Okay guys, just gonna finish up with the cleaning stuff. So I picked up some different bleach this month. So I picked these up from Wilko. So I picked up this, which is cypress and mint. So yeah, intrigued to try that. I'm not sure what that's going to smell like. I then also picked up this, which is the red fruits and lemon zest bleach. They didn't have the normal lemon one, so I was like, okay, we will just give these ones a go. It has anti lime scale protection. Got those two. I then also picked up some duck. Nothing exciting for duck this month, so I just picked up the mint duck. Haven't tried that one before, it's brand new. And then I also picked up the lemon duck, and I'm sure they had an offer, 2 for £1.80, so that was the reason why I picked up 2. You guys know how much I love my cleaning products, so those are the only cleaning products that I've picked up this month. I also then picked up a car air freshener. I just love the smell of cherries in the car, so I picked up this. I did pick up another one, but when I got to checkout it had disappeared. Very strange. It's just the jelly bean. Thought I'd just show you that in case you were looking for a car air freshener. And then I just picked up some Domestos. We always pick up some of this for the toilet, as they tend to smell quite nice. Also picked up this one. So that is the end of this month's monthly shop favourites for August. So guys, that is the end of August monthly shop favourites. These stores were so good, with so much goodness, so much new stuff. I was honestly spoilt for choice. Do let me know what you've picked up, if you're going to pick anything up. Also, please come back to this video and let me know if you've tried anything that was new, and also let me know what it tastes like, because my taste buds still haven't come back, so I'm not able to review anything as of yet in terms of taste. So you guys are going to be my taste test, but at least you now know what is in the stores for you to pick up. I'm going to leave the video there, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss out on the enjoyment that is happening on this channel, guys. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.